Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
Chemi ya noranwa oma veme oma enenemi oma ye veme hesi. Who the sick? Who the sick? My dear. I watch me ya noranwa. Umadege iye pass a message okpano dena wani no deba o gboka. Wani no ruwe grupu. A group in wawe up wa de back ba wa walk back in a message wa oje de later. Wọ́n eme di me wa ya me wa gie we wa wo wa gesensi enwu wa wa ma de wa me nwa rokpa enwu apa eru egu wa uhuge ebe ne do ka ya ge we no ri o ma wa de bakpa no isten wa hia ya wa dolo wa me group in wa je eni ka we bo hin ebe ri o ebu hin ku awa wa ohin mata eni ka obu ata mame o abeta ome mase oveze ye here oge nu wewe jesa ome waso ido leva be agbo inu wa made de me egbe na me pa kan me we mi ropa ileva le do gbo inu wa if you people does not mind your business either you fie mu gbo en gbo waso either you fie ya mu gbo en we gbo waso no wa ladian e me mi pa no re o we de agbe nwunere okan agun kan wa ne presenter wa ki live video le ma do contribute rubbish tell me na we second na we mase wa zegbe na we no ni contribute rubbish le wa platform again ita no de na we no gwa ke no go obe ya vie ken imasa me you know ya take the message any time o salobo agbese yo ni ka o ya gbese yo ke no gwa ke no go obe ya vie ken because why emi na woman say all matter because many of you presenter ohuo ma mama o wa ya yin ohuo ma mama o wa ya yin why tell me we no ya je why tell me that is why emu wa egwo go me o igi agun agbeso wa onu wa direct me are on that dimension when my spirit does not take it why tell me are on that dimension ekene mata ni jo gbokoko we ekene mata je because ohuo na magwa mume we no yanyi is magwo wa wa do gang up edin ariwe no we now wa carry group na wa de gbe kai group na re wa de by group of wa fire group no wa kai wa zega gbon wa be de na no izin egbe aya setting no popo ma izin egbe o sesebo izin egbe aya nyagbon izin egbe aya we mi ya ba gbon na ni nata mo wa we eku ni just a one woman squad ni me wa ken me madi me metamo patamo a one woman squad and I'm not in any group or whatever. So a message you know kene rovie ihu ni reva kene owomi ugugan o wa ya avegbe o wa ye heye gbowa it is either you people quit and wa ye konere it is either you people quit from those things and start living a better life wa niwe wa ye konere it is either Osalobwa is a god of second chance or ye second chance no mabagun no ma ya anyi e mata o gareme tata be no sopo no ya Oh, there go. Let me stand up. Make back. Where I go? No, the other name, I never to tie. He may make my manary. He get down to give a cocaco. He get live with you, maso. If you won't, oh, there, you people care about yourself. You don't care about humans. You care about the money. You don't care about the feelings of human. Oh, there, Udega ave kete kevere wuye. Wa dega gungwa vedenena. Wa dega gungwa. Veni me wajina. Ye iwa tuta saba ni mirokba. Gesunu dawani he. Iwa doki ekbeti uge waiti go alego. Who does that? Not even for 1 second. Have the feelings of 1 second for human. Iwa kiki ekbeti uge waiti go alego. Not even 1 feelings for human. Bokun igoria igo ja igo sono. Igo no makian. Igo no re okba. But a human siniwo. A feeling siniwo. Ereba. Oka okpogene. Just like that. Just like that. Why echo? Why echo? Emokba atamu menwa. Aga sekwe. Oh, nyui. Babana. When it is 12 o'clock, Queen will be on live. Direct. Amatam or riabo waiting riabo or waiting ideology. Queen usa wenigazo wegi will be on live direct. Igi egbera. 12.1. Ya ki ekbeti uge nawa. Udega gmwa vetene nana. Udege. Inwenere. Udege vinosi. Awoma mase. Udege vinosi. Because I hate this person with passion. I dislike this person with passion. Present us. You people will eat. You will going to face the wrath of the gods. You people will live to face the wrath of the gods. Because Eweni or Kiawu Elelebe no me. Elelebe no me. All day. Oh, baby no cocono ringing you. When you ringing you, I can't boho. If I know not doing him, I exist. If I know not doing with Baba Yabome, if I know not doing Saloba told the second chance is not you know. Why are you? Cause for a second chance, no do ya dology wagon, wagi ya with the second chance here. Worry, wanado ate. Hey, no masu no agami mata wa agbe gwede here. Obu wa avike. Wa mi mata wa agbe gwede. I no care. No matter what sa we ngazo wege. You are a bad person. Sa we ngazo wege. You are a bad person. Sakwe venu wata. Yay, uhuna egi agbe wanu. Egi agbe no. Udega gungwana. Waki ekbeti ugewa. Na mi ate ekesu waya. No river. Waki ekbeti ugewa. Ayata ne salobwa udazi enikao. No we ni etawe na ne kuni gudo gwan o mata asi eni ka okin abo we yowe ye eni ane ne kin go mata asi ku wa ya fefefe ya o na gba no na because o too much igbe na vi igbe mu ahore I so much appreciate God for my life. I so much You can say that again. Heartless is another statement. Useless and foolish. Hating one person for no reason. I remember one also. Oh, cool. Wadege. Because huna gewe, we wiri aje, we marido go, we marido winning winani. Ene ka ofio man wari aje gbe. Because if na giro do we giwe adi ayeba, we magire do we. Inwinere, owe do adu. When God give you a second chance, if you don't make use of that second chance, if you don't make use of that second chance, it will look somehow. When imeje ni kerek betiuge, abrabo sa we megazo wegi. Abrabo sa we megazo wegi. Awawa. Ni mewa esebo. Ni mabe esebe ne jabo. Baba jabo me, ni kao jabo me. Oge mi na we me mase ni ata lo ele la koka koke. A o me mase andi hiati gwan kan. Na we me se. Kugba kege ya teme eme jebo enoro ita vina wa o me mase so even we ma be do akoli me yo ina madale emi na we me se me amos to gwan kan owe o ma we is none of my business because a o me mase emi na wo me se emi amos to gwan kan nene issue ejebo we me gwan kan one day even we no yari DNA tested itamo wa na o me mase how gele baby bode na oyin na o me mase so why me writing why ya wo wari la video na ta no re DNA tested o egbo o me odakani family odo o me dakani wa because wa love yeke ita be la video cause issue ni no kedere kedero ade a presenter wa na asi oviri gbovara ohun vi okan ni almost to gbo wa nínú wara kokako ni masa me you no yata ohun vi okan ni almost to gbo wa because that o wa na so ona gele ai mata aya bo yin ne river a o me masel na o me se me ga gun kan rudan we imo hun na mo agbin ko imo hun na ya mo agbin ko imo na ya magbin kwa na we me se ga gun kan we na o me ma se ihin adogun kan eri olovi e kona ri o ma lovi e kona it's none of my business e ma ve gun kan ben wati ta se go me bo we go me ba van because yet do you me na mo agbin kwa i here obo manye ukpoki no ogo una kwe ohu amamuhu ema tama we no magati ukoki no ogo una kwe ohu amamuhu edogwe jawe gbegi aya bohin nedo ohu owehi ohu no nijo muhi bugwana onu wa we emi awa aro ya segbe no bohin ohusa eya na aveladi madega gbon wa bedene nana bose no saloba beni ka ohiana ri waya inwenere obugbe na utu niji pakon ya gyosa we mega zo wegi no teneme on sada o wada mi fie mu gbo be sadi me go wa u dazi o kan ga go me go wa ven ba kokako for today na ya what have no sopo no ya yi I go monuna because me make gbagbe mana no de ade I go monuna onuna that is na fi agwe boge na agwe monuna because ima wa value go more than e managbon gbe iho wa value e more than managbon gbe wa make ye feeling somoro pa odege dega gbon wa we dene nana abo ame wa me dan eni ka wa we se we gbe me dazi we se we gbe me aga no pe wa we se we gbe me no wa me wo yese rudan we ogo nu wa ya gbo mi ogo no mo fure no ogo mi fanu ogo alago da onu ago meje wa go igun agbe gbe me rudan we wa romo da wa romo yeke no pe akwụkwọ no no we e mata nita owe ni ehi ya yememe wa akin we wa umebo ya jore awa umebo ya jore na ke no ba mo oge ke ya o wa mi o gbe wa wo no ba ke gbosa wa me gbalazi no ruwe e bo wa do so agbalazi no ruwe ke ni ba mo oge ke ya we ke na ga eri awe ke ya o wa ya mi o gbe masa me you know yata ke no mu mazin ke ya o wa mi o gbe masa me you know yata except e mata o wa gun kan except idotin gbo wa except wa here why da ifie mo gbo wa so that woman wa tori eri okpe wa si ye come wa bastabe or yo saloba do fi wa nwere seberi ma dege o fi wa nwere ase mi noro o so agbo wa ina o fi wa nwere Beni me iwa jina ebe wa so no dama na ka we I was once love e dey wa gbe wa la video I got tally cool not even care for 1 second I wa tally cool iye me ota owe no nya kpanga ti pon so me no manya ogwo ya heku wa me human flesh a human feelings na gbon no wa slow selfie e ma ke ma no da no wa here wa me 1 minute feelings no mani a 1 minute feelings ro dan wa mo agbon ri o wa ai mo agbon ri o wa ai mo agbon ri o wa agbon na se ba fe agbon na be se a se ne fe aji ai mo agbon ri o wa but that feelings wa gebe a go I omanu wa you omanu wa we once love omanu wa kabe we or no kabe we mu wa ke wa we me wa a 1 minute feelings wa ari no mani gogo wa do tu agbo ga ibu gbegi tian o o ga bu gbegi tian o ki abun gbegbe emi no si o gbagbe o ki o ga bun gbe emi no si o gbagbe o wa mo ne feri ne no wa na ti me agege no ro pa o wa mo ne feri ne no wa na ti danu pe adanu ho o wa mo ne feri ne no wa na live a life I don't care o wa mo ne feri ne it is unfortunate they made a very big mistake of their life. It is unfortunate. So what am I feri? Obo ame huwa mi dan. Obo baba egumele le mo bilode. Egumele le mo bilode. E mo uja egumele ni alode ru dan we omo bi ale lo egbe hin o me no je omo jabo mo jabe le egbe hin o be me be no je e do ne wa gere ru dan we e managun oko e ma gege we dege o mana wu we dere o temere uguname e social media ya na mi huni ona mi huni oje no go e king iwu oje no o ma e king iwu webu e ya na mi huni uwori o shake so ge king yes o e king na wo uwo guname o shake so go e king the whole world o mi huni ye mu wo guname ama we no danu one ama we no samen you wa to zene ama we no unu wane wa kokako it is a pity wa lucky go se managun dega gunwa akwa are wa wo dole wo wa kin wo kun dole wo ri dole wo son wo dega gunwa wo kun dole wo ri dole wo son no wa sokin This is a pity. Why worry? You know, it may win a dead baby because a dead baby 5 o'clock. Or okay, at 5 o'clock. About when I be on dollar. O say one of the kingdom. E matare mi ta atare noji. Andi ga te matare ni o pe o hono. Awe vi ago te matare. O ga jore wo ge no ma. O ga jore wo o ga jore wa von ga jore. E gbe mi ya na anyagun. E o ne degbe so na ni. A reason in all la video na we. Is it so painful? Agwe mano same yo watuze. Wa mari dani ya rokba. Wa dani ya rokba. Wa dani hose mano same yo watuze. E mano zega gmumawa. E mano zegi wa de oke. E mano zegu wa wen ino oke wa kokako. Pana evaluate go say those same person. Well, it's okay. It's okay. Pareil pretend les lovons baro dan we pretend in your home every ho. No one. Pareil pretend. Let the whole world know you never care. Let the whole world know. Ogbe. Let the whole world know where he. Oh, no, she don't know what it. Zere. Agmuwa. Menama so selele. Ogbe megbe yasu wegbene. Ogbe megbe yasu wegbene. Meno Mario jale de togbe megbe yasu wegbene. Are viva ko. Are vive rokba rodan we. E magbona. Fi kologbo. E magbona. Somu yomure. E magbona. Guy. It pains me. Even why I'm magno. Erioji. Ori all dame sugboluko. Ouais. Você não ujeve. E não man uje. Dio você não ujeve. E não man ujeve. Because uga você não hogodan. Hogodan oye jak momenwe. E kian tie ikwao. Uga você não esse. Oh, esse ni ya sedo fo me no. Ya sedo fo me no. Okay, o mana san no. Ojo titi ya san no. Oja bi ya san no. But uga wese no hogodan. Ugodani. Okay, anye aji. Ese ni eri anyway. Odan we ese ugodan. Off work be precious. Ese ugodan. Ya he. Kono wa ugbesi gbede ya wese no hogodan. Etik mo me ha se do fo me no. Ugo kono gbesi gbede ya wese no hogodan. Ki asetik mo me ya se do fo me no rodan we. Omo godan. Oge negbe yo godan yin. O ma ho ko ma be. Oge negbe omo godan. O ma ho ko ma be. Agmona kina. Is that his life? O ma go wana ye la video. O ma go wana ye ke. O ma go wana ye agogo. O ma go wana be God. What is it for God's sake? What soon that way? What soon that way? What soon that way? O segbe e magbona ki. Wa weni aneni ki. Wa me mata wa tavi noji. Salobwadi no ye dori wa jayo. Ofo egbe abiesuwa. Salobwadi no ye dori wa jayo. La febo wa redo alevi. Again rock barrel. Nothing. Or cow. Or bugiver. Or bugiha. Or bugine nakina. What is going on? Musuno dawa. What is going on? Just like that. May your soul rest in peace. Just like that. Akwe agogo. Akwe ya also no that why. What did they happen? Back bene no gbera. Abi beha no gbera. Me ya me honey. I see you, Melissa. You way. Emi ya ye oti wan nebu. Abi yes, Melissa. You understand? What a wicked word. What if ever we sow, we shall. Oh, my darling. Whatever a man soweth is what a man will reap. When you sow an evil seed, that evil seed is coming to you. When you sow a bad seed, you will reap it in a million times. Ehi egbe suwa nuwa kpagbe nuwa oyoge we ha mi no gesunu na eri ma. Ehi egbe suwa wa kokako. Madera gbon wa bedene na. Eke wa o emige ikuni o ege. Osi na o dazi na yogo egwe eni ka o na yogo egwe kose ma tagare me ma na tabe noji. O me be noji eri edu ne wa kere. O me be noji he. Wa take ma gbon easy. Wa give me agbo wa gbe. Even though if it's for 1 hour or a seconds. Wa give me agbo wa gbe. By showing love to those people. By caring that, by knowing, let the people see you love and you cherish. Ihe manu wamu obugbe. Ohwa wasi esoto. Cause maderu waso bagbon bevani. My darling. The thing shortalize me. It shortalize osawe vengazo wege die. The thing shortalize osawe vengazo wege. Yeah. It shortalize osawe vengazo wege. Edo we ya wegbege. Yabo yenge nedo. Ya wegbege. Yabo yenge nedo. Dege magno. Wa ke wigo o wa emi hia waguna. Wa tinki wigo o emi hia. Just like that. I remember 4 years ago. What a fearless someone. I remember. If I did no mistake. What a bold lioness. A lion. I remember. Ekmen ogbe soy. Ni yegi dotana. De bedega ni menati eno. Mi ave gbe hoy. Because bonu wa mi emena. Emi are me tata we noji. Dega ni menati eno because in lane here. Most of them ime delete equal. Iwa delete. I know they call anyone. Serious. Awama abene doka ayo ama wobu ba wa no yale. Delete equal. Dega ni menati eno. Emi ati. But it was very wrong of him. No do ya do back because all my video. La wo ijeki wa ye forgive. Jo bo we ko. Je bo no be fi upegi wa la ho wa forgive. Wa forgive. Cause dege ni menati eno. Me no ni age go makuya. Instantly me ya correct. Me sure we go ale no bo mani mi. Wala ho. Wa you bo we ko. No wa forgive. No matter what it is. Here give me not a mama or ma de yo. Me no yata. Because I wo in my soul. Wala ho. Wa you bo we ko no wa forgive. Emi na gbona. Enwe na gba no wafu. Egba no wafu. Hi, what a word. What a word. Alaho. Mani nyakma ti ukma son. Why je no man nyakma yake. Eto ma ve no man nya eto ga gwe ya heku. Ma kunfe. Wa me felensi. Ne ma ba kukako. Wala ho. Emi ovuko pe na ya de gbe gon kan later. Ya gon kan later. Now where I was once a big man. Nana. Tornado orame keke na kave fidonda wa jabome obi wahi os ina me keke na ri wa be mi kuda wa mama ve guogo wa jabome nda we gba no mafu wa jabome anywhere ni na karongo o tornado wa jabome eni ka oni unyagbon wa me to han wa me lehu etin mada iwa re igba gwan na po ni hi enyan boni wa hi enyan cause I did remember many things. I go to remember many things. Ema ne hi egbede de sayi ye wa gbonu yare na ema. I go remember. Keno no kiani kedi. Ema ne hi egbesa ema. Alaho. Wagalo enwe. Akoka kunu wadia. Let your wisdom go with you wherever you go. Emata oma sevene. Hiando mie mata ido ati ororo. Emagu. Ama dede egbe nye. Wanaga gogo. Wanaga gbe. Wanaga celebrity. Wanaga merriment. Oge no kiwo. Uwa gogo ji. Goma ogu. Emi no ki. It is a pity wa magbonu wari. It is a pity. Wa ti evi mi ve de agbe. Bokbo na ya gbe yale o ga be se gbe yawo. wagati mimi vedi agbe wala ho oni kalobo wa yobo weko forgive jabo forgive era me ajebo me gugwe me problem obo weko ram odzangwe ama normal masako no ma bo ba ma fiezo wa koka konudia o come show with ma ho ide nothing but on issue na zeve no we ya de okay egeni ma we ya agun wala ho wa forgive wa jabo o danwe e ma gbon na ba me no ho an wa forgive do hin bo egbe salobo abo hin ku ohin mata o salobo abo ohin mata ni ka ogbesegi ohin ne mata una bo eba kokako almost hara yes oviaga no boy ohin ne mata una bo eba kokako almost hara o mai hara nyama no bo hin ni o hara nyama no do gbe seseyo eri e magbon kai odanwe ohin ne mata awe na gbo ma kweku ni yahi but all the same based on the likeness and the love ni ga menu era me ajebo la hora me ju baba ju bo we ho la ho yen we we on one usalobo ju we adiagun on a purpose jabo baba ijeki forgive serious la ho forgive laho cause you got a video with baba I was touched laho again we ya ju la meni we give no laho you bo we ko yeki you bo we ko forgive wala akokako wani fling a picture of egbeni mi lele wala ho wa forgive wala ho because the thing touch me iye give me no ugo mama wala ho wa forgive aga egbeni mi dan le lu picture ge wala ho ayubo we ko ima ke ma no e post e carry me picture e post carry me picture ge me ati oge baba ogo ma be ban wala ho no because man egbeni mi lele owe may God forgive you wala ho why egbeni mi lele wala ho wala wa forgive I forgive okpadi e hian bi anu ewi a leva gbeni dandore wagi ki wano kolio watimi na wo wase ai daje fie mugbo henwe ni kata wani koli do agbe sese contribute wa le run we de agbe bu here owa emenu wa do contribute ji wa gega e mata wa yo wo mama ya do ata leve no ma dejo wa yo wo mama ya ata leve no ma dejo e matata dia wo eseli no adota when a presenter no be ki ekpeti ugewa ne ma do a contribute veni meji spirit me o warere wa gwe me go wa hin ateme ya ge me ni e sign ni o ware ime so we me gba me ni hin wo e me ni no we adota ni we yita gbera ma later or see the reason eti ki ekpeti uge me wa ne ma do a contribute why not I get my reason the man I got was is iwa me reason And that reason best knows to me one. Or see any way. Because most of the color who are mwima are you know that dimension. Most of the colors who are vima are you know that dimension. And now who wa mase who wa do a college contribute. Now who wa senoro wa tonivo. Now who wa mase wari sugar wari ungo wari miwuga wa vio buy. Just no waya no really. We're not bohi kugbo. Who does it? They do bohi kugbo. You don't wear matter. Eka wama usama degewe. Isha, it will fetch you out. Again, in that time, a live video where okonu aru we baby. Una bohi kugbo sa we mengazo we gi. Who does it? Ari owo hiyo. Ema teta. Ima to we ye meni anitalo. Okoni mahewe. Beni vetawe wa hati ebi yeke mebi yeke. Imana hewe, but who does it hewe? Almost fetch you well at them. Be you fake account or whatever. Or fetch you well at them. Masame, you know, you have a message in. Eh, more hewe, but who does it hewe? Or one no dear, or a canoe stage, or a no dodo ekbetiwe. Even when no money lele. You guys should be careful. Be careful. Ebu. Be careful. Road on was saloba. Oge came over Giason. They get matan or they get away. I abo in a river. Uzere after the call, ye call it for Yenuko Komona call you. Yenuko Komona we ma buy call no call ni. Or we ma buy away because I wore a maso. I wore a maso. Not saying I always say, when you know, I will maso, all those kind of things. Even a woman say, oh, mata. And another caller come to distract the tata where and then you no koko motani. No one forget all you no koko money, all those things. No, you why so ya agi. But so me age contributing, why so contributing. Can it tota yi wa tota ye ge mo pa me wasakugwa. Ye we ba beti ogi yana. Wa beti ogi yana. Uzege bene emu wa hin abohin eku. Wa hin atemata yeme to ogi yeme. O me no je. Instantly je no kokomo ya call you. Ona we ge. Wala o. Even a woman say mata. Na woman ma say. O me na yari rizuze your head. Because the ancestors are rising. In a yak back baby. You can't have a past video. In a nika yak back baby. Nemani ria babu. Nemani buhieku. Nemani zogege badima. Nemani fisioviri bowara. In a way nika yak back baby. In a biware maybe atale nina bene. In a way yak back baby. No mercy for the wicked. No mercy. A mercy, error, any wickedness, people. People wherever maybe attending a message where down with her. It's time. In a yak back benny. You must have me, you know, your time. Anything no worry over kokako. Kedenena, luenwa jimino. Because many of them they don't have joy. And when they call it, when they will live video presenter. Wa be gbeyegbe unero la yinbo wa gbeyegbe e wa jare wa gbeyegbe e wa jare matere wa ro vi ko ni ro wodo wa ti an gbe agia wa te na wo wa ma se te ya ro wa gbe no kian wa gbe no de wa o tonu wa vi weyi nebo nu wa kere iya bohin ku weto bo we no ke wo ni re na bohin ku o tonu hu we ne we ohin ku bu aga mo ewo nu da yi to aria e wa gweze you don't know, many of you no longer have respect for your elders Many of you does not have respect for the land that you guys claim you came from. Many of you. Why woman muwane wa gang up. Wa woman here. Wa walk back here. Wa walk back here because of woman or mama you know. Memo say you all are my friend. Meme here. You all are my friend. But the truth must be prevail at all time. Oni ma we wa we mi dan nige ta. Ununa. Oni okpawo. I go away. E mata. O waro. Obiaga no pe no negi agbe ode do vandalize except mata ni ro ya ga ewe eme na ma we itabe no ji ma dege na palaho aga ize poporo okpa ehie mami agi so bo no hia u dan we ehie o mami okay. What did happen? A presenter when the maybe Google who went to make a neja boba sopa. In neja bono wahia. In an honor, can him no offend the wake yat in neja bono. I know why I make my apology. Because I was heading in a wrong direction. A wrong direction, Rano. On the name of Ivinohi. I make apology because that is the reason why I make apology. I fall. Because it was not my fight then. It was ungrateful heart people. But Salobo na mi emefa. Udazina mi emefa. Udazina yabome. Otonedo na yabome. Eni ka oni unyagba na yabome. Otaga no pe na yabome. Otugo no pebo na yabome. Oto ori woni ya na yabome. Oto ogo ne wuje na yabome. Where I was going on. Imegie. I thank God for my life. I am so grateful, God. I am grateful. Even though I have mats all over my body, it will never be enough for me to say, God, I thank you. I am well grateful. So, Keganikba, Nia apology ni. Why the game winner moment video? A set yado tematamo. Where the game in our ladder, he winner of him. He winner a matter, he are ready to tabo me as soon you. Ogeni me wa do aro gbugbe yo mani o do aro yo e obe no ri agbon ba ri abe no we mi ku kan. When that soul is innocent, heaven will rise up and fight that battle. When that soul is innocent, heaven will rise up and fight that battle. And I say, God of vengeance is too powerful for God to fail his own. Because that God of vengeance is there to fight those battles that you cannot fight for yourself when your heart is pure, as white as snow. Is there. It will keep you alive to save the reward of the wicked. When your heart is pure, as white as snow, God of vengeance will keep you alive to see the reward of the wicked. Yes. It's okay. But wagi egbe asuwa for 1 minute. Wagi egbe no suwa for 1 minute. O wajare. Wa egbe wagi asuwa for 1 minute. Even wa ma genge no one. Even though no bugbe. Agege wa won. Igo emi ya bagbona. Igo emi ya. Aimu agbori owa. Efe na do fe. Owa na do bo. Ego kekeari na viori owa ruwe. Emoto na meva. Owa na ivu emona biele amayadi ati loe. Amayadi ati loe. Bovani akbari ohone. Aimu na agbori owa. Ema kmona. Amari owa. Era mege agmonoga imi kasteosa efore no fi no mulele gberu we ya ero ba kwene ni gori nai again of barewa. What are you pursuing? Not even one minute feelings. Amana iwe live video we dokba here. Amana iwe live video we dokba. Ogagbo ewa. Amana iwe live video we dokba. You don't care about anybody. You care about your selfish interest. Menoma wevina. Ogbe megbi. Mana waje no de ade. Ni yahe meni. Ogbe megbi hore. Na we egbulele. Menoma wevina. Iwe to ogbe menosa we megazo wegigbi. Imana no de ade. Ima ekpagbe ma. O wa love ye beti ma love ye go wa. Ima waje no de ade. Iga o negbe. Iyo ko ina be o negbe. O salobo o sere dagbo ikwe. Ina o negbe me hore. Not even o ka o kpo giver. O na be nu we be da na be ruwe. Nu zama ruwe. When I go laughing, we're living. A laughing. Oh, he go. I get up, ero. What kind of life is that? What kind of life is that? Take care, Magno easy. Oda wa Magno na riwa.